Hello, my fellow comic book collectors. This is going to be kind of a fun video, mainly for me. Actually, I got a cool new toy. It's going to be awesome. So this came in the mail today. I'm just so excited, actually. I've been looking for one of these. I went to like Walmart and Staples and all these kind of places to try to find one of these. It's a 2-in-1 LED flashlight. And it sounds kind of lame. What does this have to do with comics? Well, this flashlight has blue light or purple light, and basically allows me to be able to see restoration on comics. So I found some of my comics that were restored, and I was curious what would I would see with this purple light. So I'm going to show you the flashlight. This is it. It's exciting to me. I don't know. You'll probably click off this video, but this is cool. It's going to be cool when you see it on the comics. So this is the flashlight. It's really simple. It's $10. So awesome. It has like multiple functions. So you're just like a regular flashlight. Then it has like a strobe light somewhere. There's the strobe light. It has like a whole bunch of cool things. And then it has one more. It has like the blue light. Now this is the UV light. So what we can do is like this one is My Amazing Spider-Man #1, and it says the restoration includes color touch, pieces added. It's just like they did everything to this comic. So let's see the color touch though. So what we can do is you take the flashlight with the blue light, and you can see as you go around. Let's see if we can find any of the color touch. So just scan the comic really slowly. And I don't see any. Maybe a little bit right there. See a small little bit right there. I'm not sure if you can see that on the camera, but I see a little bit of a highlighting. And that's really it. Not much. Not much color touch. They should have said small amount of color touch, because I don't really see much color touch. Not sure. That's all I see. That little bit right around here where there's like almost like a little tear or something, and there's a little bit of color touch there. But that's it. That was the color touch on this comic. So very little on this one. The next one was my Fantastic Four. Now I know this one, they went all out on this one. This one was really restored. It's extensive restoration, B5, so that's high grade restoration. And the restoration includes color touch, pieces added, tear seals, reinforced, regloss, staples replaced, top right edge trimmed. They just went nuts on this comic. So yeah, lots of restoration. Now if you use the blue light, you can actually see the color touch. I'm not sure, can you see how it goes to a different color? And actually the restoration was really well done, because you cannot see this with the naked eye, but you can see it with the blue light. Now these are the small ones up here. I noticed like along this edge, I'm not sure if you can see that, but you can see how it turns purple. You can see a huge amount of restoration, like color touch restoration along that edge. It is really extensive. And it's just a little bit at this top where they did, looks like they made it look more white. And then along this edge, they did a lot of restoration, a lot of color touch to make it look more sharp. So I think that's really cool with this purple light. One more to look at, because I love my new toy. This is an awesome toy. Is to see this one. I was always curious, what's the restoration, like what's the color touch? Because this one says slight to moderate, like color touch. And I was kind of curious where it is. So we scan it with the blue light, and I'm not seeing anything, but I'm thinking it's going to be along this edge. I don't see anything. Actually, I don't see the color touch. It might be more obvious on the inside. So sometimes, okay, maybe right in there. Have to take it out of the plastic to see, I think. Because I think I found the spot. Okay, so this is what, it's kind of a fun toy because you got to really search for these color touches. So let me just kind of zoom in a bit so you can see it a bit better. Not sure if you can see, maybe right in there. I don't know. I don't really see anything. I found it. Oh my goodness. That is really small amount. Okay, right above the moon, it goes slightly purple. Darker purple than the rest of the purple. I believe that might be the color touch. Because it's purple, it's actually really hard to see the color touch because it's purple, and that's what it should turn to if it's color touch. So I think it's right in here. There's a little bit of color touch. And just really small amounts, if that's even, and I would have to double check. The only way that you really be able to check it would be is if you open up the comic, and sometimes when they do color touch, it will bleed through the paper and you can see it on the inside better, because when you're reflecting it off a purple, well, you're just going to see more purple, but the inside will be a whiter page, right? Generally the inside pages are fairly white, so when you reflect it, it will be purple, will stand out much more. So kind of cool. I don't know. This is, I'm so excited to get this. I've been trying to get one of these silly lights for the longest time. And every time I got, like, ask the people, the store people, and they never seem to know what I'm talking about even. And I just say, like, I want a UV light, a blue light, or purple light, or whatever it's called. And just, you know, do you have something? And they, you know, they show me the wrong things. Yeah, so I was super excited. I got this off of Amazon. It's free shipping, $10. Couldn't go wrong with that. Great toy, great fun. Really useful if you're a comic book collector to get one of these. This one is, I'm not a sponsor of this or anything, but sponsored by these guys. But Letian, I don't know what that is. But that's the name of the company. Great flashlight. Really works well to find those color touches. This is really important. If you get raw comics and you're, you know, you don't know sometimes if they have color touch or if they have some issues, this is the way to find out. It can save you, you know, you should scan all comics that you get, especially older comics, with a blue light to definitely check to make sure that you're not getting a raw deal where somebody's trying to hide some of the work that's been done on the comic. So definitely something to invest in. $10, can't go wrong. So that's my toy, my new toy. I hope you enjoyed this video. More fun for me, but maybe fun for you too. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.